Hi everyone, welcome. In this project we're going to use the accelerometer sensor, and then by using this sensor we will able to do one dice, or we will able to do one project that's going to generate some numbers between 0, 10 or between any defined numbers. Example, here is my microbit. I made a interval between 0 and 10. So when I shake this, it's generating different numbers. If the number that you get, example, more than one digit, our screen only can get one digit. In that case, it's going to make a scrolling text, but now we couldn't get this number 10. Alright, so we will also see this, how it works. Alright, now we will continue with the programming and let's see how it's done. I go with the block coding, and firstly we have to get the input and input shake, okay? And we're gonna show the number from here, and later on all I need to go to math, okay? And then I'll get the random numbers between 0 and 10. Normally dice has the between 1 and 6. If you want, we can also quickly try this. I send the codes. So now the code ready. When I shake this, it's just changing between 1 and 6. If you want, you can do this more than 2 digits as well, between 1 and 15, let's say. I send the codes. It's ready. It's 1, 7. The next number, as you see, with 2 digits, that's why it was using scrolling text. That was 10. Another number is 13. Okay. So quickly we can do the same thing in a Python programming language. In Python programming language, it will be a little bit different. We have to put this inside the loop to make this active always. And then I'm gonna say if we have to get the shake from input, remember, and we can find this also from the is gesture, and where we're gonna find the shake, okay? So this code line means if you just tremble a little bit, if you shake a little bit, in that case this part will be true, and what's going to be executed in case it's true, we're gonna go get the show numbers from the basics. And here, what am I going to show? Directly you can show one number, one favorite number of yourself, but we want to show random numbers, right? That's why I'm going to use the rand int. That means random integer number. Here you can specify the interval. I want the number to be done between 1 and 6. And I send a code. And we will shake it. And that's changing the number. Alright, so we can change the interval, example between 1 and 50, okay? That can tell me also a number between 1 and 50. Let's shake this. So my first number is 19, another is 46, 22, 37. So you can do also some different combinations by using these code tips. Alright, so all the best for you. We see each other in another tutorial. Bye bye.